Chicken Poo Bingo, how to play. The object of the game is to get 5 poo tokens in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Set out the bingo board and give each player a bingo card and 15 poo tokens. All players place 1 poo token on the center free star square. Pull off the chicken's head and insert 5 poo nuggets into the chicken's body using the funnel if needed. Replace the head firmly until you hear a click. Pick a player to go first, then play moves to the left. On your turn, hold the legs and wind up the chicken about 8 times, or until you feel the gears are taut. Then set the chicken on the start space in the center of the board, facing whatever direction you want, then let it go. As the chicken walks, poo nuggets will drop out. As the poo lands on the colored squares, players should match them with their bingo cards and place a poo token on the matching square on their own card. If no player has a 5 in a row, then the chicken is reloaded and passed to the next player and they take a turn. This process repeats until one player has a 5 in a row. That player yells "Chicken Poo Bingo" and wins.